Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you some Apple Watch Series 6 tips and tricks. This will be a useful tutorial and I'll be going over 5 specific tips and tricks that you can use with your new Apple Watch Series 6. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So the first one is actually regarding locating your phone. So you probably have your watch on your wrist. And let's say you can't find your phone. If you go to your main screen here and you swipe up, you get to your control center. And then this button over here with the little phone with the brackets on the outside will actually locate your phone. You can either push it quickly one time, or you can press and hold it down. And it'll give you 2 different variations for locating your phone. It is really, really useful and easy to work with. And you know, we lose our phones often, so it's a really useful feature. The second one is also in the control center. So I'm going to swipe up to access the control center. If you go to the flashlight right over there, so you can also edit your control center, random little side note. You can edit it with that button right there. But if you go to the flashlight right here, it gives you a few options, and believe it or not, so you have the strobe option, you have the red option over here, and then you have the flashlight right here, the plain flashlight. Believe it or not, these brighten up a substantial amount of space. It's actually really crazy how bright it is. So that's another tip and trick. The third one is if you receive a notification like a call or a text message, and so you receive the call or the text message, and let's say you're in a meeting. If your phone is unmuted, then what you can do is you can press and get your hand and press it over the screen. Okay, so you can press it and hold it over the screen for a few seconds, and that will actually turn it onto sort of the onto the silent mode, which is really cool. So I just actually opened up the activity tracker right here. It says elliptical because my wife was just on the elliptical. This is her Apple Watch. So if you get a notification and you want to turn your phone onto silent mode quickly and easily, just take the palm of your hand, cover the screen for a few seconds, and it'll turn it into silent mode, which is really, really cool. It'll sort of silence the notifications. Tip and trick number 4 is actually that you can switch the app view to a different layout. So I'm actually going to go ahead and enter into the main screen right here. And right now we have all of these icons. But if you go to the settings app over there and you scroll down to app view, you can actually change it to a list view, which is really cool. So with the list view, it's going to give you a list, and with the grid view, it's going to give you all of those icons like I just showed you right there. Okay, so I like the grid view the best, and this is my wife's Apple Watch, so like I said, I don't want to fool around with it too much. Lastly is tip and trick number 5, which is actually one of the most useful features on this, and it is the tip option on the calculator. So if you go to the settings app, once again, if we scroll down to calculator right over here, okay, you can see that you can choose to have the % button or the tip function. I have it set on the tip function, which is really, really useful. So I'm going to go back and we're going to go to the calculator over here. And what you can do is you can enter an amount. So let's say I spent $25 on food and I want to know what to tip. Well, I click the tip button right there and it tells me if I'm giving a 15% tip, it's $3.75. And you can even edit the number of people. So let's say it was 2 people, then it tells you how much for each person, including the tip, right? You can keep going 3, 4, 5 people, it doesn't matter. It is a really, really useful feature, and it's just something easy to do on your watch, and it saves you from having to calculate it. But that's it. Those are some Apple Watch Series 6 tips and tricks. A simple, useful tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.